Hey guys, welcome back to the Gypsy Moon Child, and this is going to be the monthly reading for May 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign of Capricorn. Take only what resonates and leave the rest. Time is fluid, and energies and roles can be reversible or vice versa. If you want to book a personal reading with me or you want to donate to this channel, you can use the information mentioned in the description box below. Two of Cups, soulmate connection. But let's see. We'll see in detail what do we get. Okay. Some of you might be dealing with a water sign. Okay, if you want me to do any different type of readings on my channel, please leave your suggestions in the comment section below. And I hope you guys are staying home and staying safe. I've already done pick a pile and twin flame readings, so if you feel guided to, you can check that as well. Let's see for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign of Capricorn for May 2020. Too many cards. Okay, Knight of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. Sagittarius also got this. So you could be dealing with a Sag or an Earth sign or a Virgo or a Capricorn, okay? But I feel that you could be dealing with a person who was like a knight before, but they're slowly turning into a king, okay? Or you could be dealing with two people right now. One has the knight energy and one has the king energy. By that I mean that with one person the situation is not moving forward, it's just moving very slowly and you don't know where it is going. This person might be a little immature or younger than you, but on the other hand the other person is really mature, is all settled. This person is while on their own journey right now, like they're not that stable enough financially, but the other person might be stable right now in their career. They have reached the point where they finally are stable, earning really good, and they're even more stable emotionally rather than this person. If they're not two people, then you could be dealing with someone who who is there for a long haul, who wants to be there for the long haul. They want long-term commitment with you, or you want long-term commitment with them, like you want a stable future, a long-term future with this person. But things are not really moving at a pace that you wanted them to move, okay? It's just this connection is moving forwards really slowly. You both are like taking baby steps towards each other, but what you really want is to have a good future, a stable future. So that's why both might be deciding to take it slow, okay? Also there's a strong need of grounding yourself, grounding your emotions. You can do grounding exercises and meditations. You could be dealing with someone who's actually right now someone who actually wants to be in a position where they have a lot of responsibilities. Maybe a business person, you would be dealing with that, or someone who's at a managerial level or a team leader, something like either they are already or they're just working to be on that position. This is someone who likes to wear good clothes, likes to dress up really well, wants to be rich. And it could be you who's actually working towards your career right now to earn those pentacles, because you really want to be stable in your life right now. You want to earn more and reach a level of from king to knight. You want to reach there. So you might be focusing on your career these days because you want that stability in your life. You want a job or a business that will make you stable and will give you the stability for a lifetime. Let's see what else do we get, Capricorns. Queen of Cups. Could be dealing with a water sign, okay? So I feel that either this is you and the person you're dealing with could be a water sign, like earth sign, water sign. But yes, you could be missing this person terribly, or this person is missing you terribly. Okay, you might be thinking, seeing their pictures and crying your heart out. For some of you guys, this connection is affected by a child as well. Either you or they have a child with someone else. Also for you guys, for a lot of you guys, your spirit babies are also trying to connect with you these days. They are guiding your journey, so you could also listen to them. Just tune in. But I see that a lot of you guys are actually looking at old pictures and just missing this person a lot. Your emotions are all over the place, so that's why I said that there's a need to ground yourself. Some of you are definitely dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Again, earth energy. So, Seven of Pentacles, you are thinking a lot about something, and that's why you're not communicating with this person, because you're busy in thinking about whatever happened in the past. You're analyzing it, and you're just so busy in analyzing that you're just forgetting about talking to them at all. You're thinking, what did I do wrong, what went wrong, what did they do, everything. Like, and if it's about your career, then yes, you're thinking about what should be your next move, how much you have earned till now, something like that. You're just calculating everything in your head, so you're probably overthinking. Okay. Four of Cups, so there could have been an offer recently that came to you, and you might have rejected it, or you might will be rejecting it in the month of May. Okay, so yes, could be the case for some of you guys. And it's like someone, universe gave you an opportunity, and you might be ignoring it because you're too busy in thinking about whatever is going on in your life right now. Okay, there could be three things in particular that you might be focused on, and that's why you might just ignore this opportunity completely. You might reject this offer. There could be something better that universe wants to give to you, but you're too stubborn to work on something that you want to improve. You want to improve your situation, but you're not going to take any action about it. How are you expecting it to move? And then you will start acting grumpy that you didn't do anything about it. You want to you want to change the situation, but you're not doing anything. Whenever some new opportunity comes your way, knocks at your door, you just don't even open it. 10 of Cups. Okay, so this offer could actually be about marriage, about long-term commitment with this person, or you really want to marry this person. There's just earth and water here. No other signs I'm getting till now. So yes, you could be actually getting an offer for commitment, for a relationship, for a marriage. Could be anything. But all you want with this person is to have a happy family with them, to take it to the next level. A lot of you guys might be taking it to the next level. Like, after a while you might realize that what you were doing, when your emotions will be all over the place, you might be missing this person a lot, and that's when you might accept this offer finally and get to this place. Okay, also a lot of you guys will be enjoying this time with your families, having a very happy time, spending time with them, a happy family, small family, happy family. But you really want this person to be in your future. It's like you see a family with them, you want to have a family with this person, you want to actually have a family, have kids with this person, but you're not even doing anything about it. You're just sitting there, you're not taking any action basically. But what you want is to have a family with them. You really want to take it up to the next level with this person, but on the other hand, you're not doing anything about it, and then you act all grumpy. Why didn't I do it? You're just too busy in thinking about all of it. Like, it's like you're making plans, but then you're not doing anything. Even if you make a plan, an opportunity comes when you can execute that plan, you're not even doing that. Stop overthinking, Capricorns. The Tower card. So something recently happened that actually was a Tower moment for you. It's like it has shaken up your world, and or it will be. I don't know why I keep talking like it has already happened. For some of you guys, it might have already happened, yeah. But in the month of May, time is clear, but could be happening anytime to you from now. So it's like something will happen that will shake up your world, and it'll, like, what Tower does is that it just breaks down everything, and then you have to build it up from the scratch. So it's a good thing. Whatever is not resonating with you will fall off, so that you can start over again, start new, start fresh. So don't always take the Tower as the bad thing here, but if something could happen that will just trigger you, that will just shake up your world. Probably someone, it could be something that happens in your own family, or with someone who's a part of your soul family. Like, you feel that this is your soulmate, okay, or they're just part of your soul family, something with them. It could someone from your soul family could trigger you. That's how like you'll be, your world will just turn upside down. Or with someone you always, like I said, that someone you want to have a family with, you want to take it to the next level with, you know, that person could shake up your world. Really, that person could do that. They might just block you, or you might end up blocking this person on social media or from your life as well, or they might do the same to you. So it's like they'll just close off completely. They won't open up at all to you. They'll just start guarding their own heart, and they'll be just like, you know, the door of my life is completely closed for you. Either you will do that, or that person might do that. Okay, from being this to this, it'll happen like that. Okay, so yeah, it could be that for a lot of you guys, some issue could come up, or it will be like maybe the person you're dealing with, or you might just get confused between two people as well, or between two things, like what should you do after the star moment comes. You might be having a decision to make, that what you want to do next. So ball is in your court, Capricorns, that what you would want to do after the tower moment comes. It depends on you if you want to cry over it, or you want to just, you know, change things, or you want to build it up from the scratch, you want to start fresh, or you want to just keep crying over it. So it's like something like there'll be a decision that will be needed to make by you or the person you're dealing with. But I feel it could be you majorly. Let's see what Romance Angels has to say for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign of Capricorns for May 2020. Okay, very soon. So I said you need to decide something clearly. What do you want really, so that it happens to you now. But something that you might have wished for is something going to happen. Something going to happen very soon. Forgiving and learning. Sag also got this. Like a lot of signs are getting this card in some way that is related to forgiveness. So somewhere I feel that you need to forgive this person, or forgive anyone for that matter who you think has hurt you in the past, so that you can release the past and heal yourself and have a better present. Okay, too many cards fell out. Let's just see what else do we get. So you can forgive this person emotionally. You can do meditations for forgiveness. Playfulness, so it's like to bring back the romance. Somewhere you need to keep it light, keep it simple, just flirt around, recapture the romance. Okay, because there's very strong attraction here. You both feel the same, you both are so attracted to each other, and it is safe for you to love. Okay, somewhere I feel that you might be scared, you know, that if you'll just, as I said, after the star moment comes, you might get scared and start to guard your heart. You might not open up emotionally to this person. Emotionally you might just, even if you're not blocking them on the social media, you might block this person emotionally, you know. And that might just be like, that might just bring back your fears around commitment, fears around love. So you, at that moment you need to know that, you know, it is safe for you to love, so you can stop having your guards up all the time and actually live in the moment with this person and recapture the romance. Let's see what angel messages do we have for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign of Capricorns for May 2020. Wait. So right now angels are asking you to wait, do not rush things up. Okay, decide what you want after a while. Right now you need to be more patient with this person or in your life in general, however it resonates with you, but you need to wait right now. Maybe things will shown to you, like when the star moment comes, maybe things will shown to you. Okay, you're ready, so you need to somewhere wait till the time you're ready to do something. Right now I don't feel that you're ready, so after a while you might feel that you're ready, and that's when you need to take some action about whatever the situation is, whatever you need to take an action about. Okay, so that's it for Capricorns. I hope you like this reading. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, please stay safe and stay home. Bye bye.